Greetings, fellow explorers of the digital realm. Emily here, delving into the enchanting world of web development. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey, constructing a Magic Shop shopping cart website from scratch. So buckle up and prepare to weave some programming magic. Our first stop is the mystical land of design. Picture a quaint, old-world magic shop, brimming with mystical artifacts and enchanted potions. That's our concept, and we'll breathe life into it using HTML and CSS. HTML forms the skeleton of our website, the shelves and counters, if you will, while CSS is the paintbrush that adds color and style to our magic shop. Next, we'll venture into the realm of interactivity with JavaScript. It's like the magic wand that makes our website come alive. We'll create a shopping cart that allows customers to add magical items, view their cart, and make purchases. It's all about creating a seamless user experience. Once we've crafted our magical marketplace, it's time to share it with the world. And that's where GitHub Pages comes into play. Imagine it as a magical portal that transports our local magic shop into the vast digital universe. We'll create a GitHub repository, push our local code into it, and then enable GitHub Pages to transform our repository into a live, accessible website. But remember, every good magician has a set of best practices up their sleeve. It's all about keeping our code organized, our comments clear, and our commits regular. These practices not only make our work more manageable, but also make it easier for other magicians, or in our case, developers, to understand our spells and incantations. Finally, we'll step back and admire our creation, a fully functional magic shop website, ready to enchant visitors from across the digital landscape. There's nothing quite like the thrill of seeing your code come to life, is there? But don't just take my word for it. Go ahead, conjure up your own digital creations. Experiment, make mistakes, learn, and most importantly, have fun. After all, isn't that what magic, or in our case, web development, is all about? And with that, we've reached the end of our journey. But remember, this is just the beginning of your adventure in the world of web development. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep creating. Until next time, this is Emily, signing off. Happy coding!